Tesla prepares massive shipment of Model 3 Highland for export to Europe. A massive shipment of Tesla Model 3 Highland units is being prepared for export to European countries. According to new drone footage shot outside of the automaker's Gigafactory Shanghai plant, Tesla just recently launched its new Model 3, called the Highland, which is being built at the company's Chinese production facility in Shanghai. Along with numerous design changes, Tesla has also implemented several new features, including small improvements like a blind spot indicator, which we reported on yesterday. Tesla initially launched the Model 3 Highland last week, and deliveries are set to begin in October. The new Model 3 is being offered in various Asian and European markets, as well as some Middle Eastern areas like the United Arab Emirates and Israel. The first images of a massive batch of the new Model 3 were captured by Shanghai drone operator Wu Hua, indicating Tesla is ready to get these vehicles shipped to markets outside of China, preparing them for initial delivery. Tesla's Shanghai plant has been known as the company's export hub, especially for Model 3s. Tesla does operate a production plant in Europe, which is located in Brandenburg, Germany, but the facility only builds the Model Y currently. For years, Tesla has used Shanghai, which has been the biggest contributor to the automaker's rising production figures in the past 2 years, as an export hub to handle demand in Asia and Europe. It also started shipping some Model 3s to Canada earlier this year to take advantage of clean vehicle rebates based on the batteries used in these vehicles. Tesla has not yet tipped off when it will begin building or shipping Highland units to the United States. However, there have been filings over the past 13 months that indicate the automaker is preparing for the Model 3 Highland to be available in the U.S. It is just a matter of when the company begins building the car or lands the necessary approvals for the vehicle, which it may need due to the numerous design changes this particular build has compared to the previous Model 3. Tesla has already completed some line upgrades at the Fremont factory that may be related to the Highland project. Tesla CEO Elon Musk said during the Q2 2023 earnings call that there would be a slight decrease in production this quarter, compared to last, due to production stoppages that would allow these upgrades to take place. Fremont was the first plant to receive the upgrades, and Gigafactory Texas underwent a halt earlier this week. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at Teslarati.